Good afternoon. Technology and computer programs used to look into the far reaches of outer space are now being adapted for cancer research. Imaging equipment developed by researchers at the University of Lethbridge is currently functioning on the Herschel Space Observatory, but researchers say it can also be used to chase down rogue cancer cells deep inside the human body. Terry Vogt reports.
It's a partnership of two totally different sciences.
The ones that actually survive everything.
Resulting from a chance meeting between cancer biologist Roy Goldstein and physics astronomy researcher Dave Naylor, co-founder of the Institute for Space Imaging Science. Imaging equipment and software developed for the Herschel Space Observatory is now being used to help determine why some cancer cells are resistant to treatment.
And we know that we have cells that are cancer cells that are going to continue to grow, but we can't pick out which ones are going to do it. And that's the big problem in cancer treatment.
Cancer researchers say it would take years for technicians to painstakingly go through every sample, identify individual cells, and try to single out the ones that are somehow unique. It's a problem space researchers can associate with as they try to sort out different types of galaxies when confronted with a vast amount of data being returned by powerful new space telescopes.
It's almost image processing, sophisticated image processing to try and recognize a needle in a haystack.
But the same software being used to find an irregular galaxy in a whole field of millions of galaxies can also be used to find an irregular cancer cell among millions of cells.
So we know that difference is there in our petri dishes, but we can't see it ourselves as biologists. And our hope is, if we can pick that out, then we'd be able to help out doctors and improve treatment.
Scientists say this marriage between space technology and cancer research will lead to new discoveries. Just how far they'll be able to go and what they'll find, they don't know yet. But they say that's what research is all about. Terry Vogt, CTV News, Lethbridge.
U of L researchers have also been collaborating with another company and colleagues at the Foothills Hospital in Calgary to see if the imaging processes can work on breast cancer cells.